Joining us. Today marks the start of firearms season in Minnesota, and it's a big weekend for hunters, but it's also a big weekend for hunting shops. KVGR6's Rob Coles stopped by one popular Northland shop on one of their biggest days of the year.
Hunting shops all over Minnesota have been busy preparing for firearm opening weekend.
Lots of license sales and lots of people coming to get involved in our big buck contest, big doe contest.
At Fisherman's Corner in Pike Lake, employees say business has been on the rise since the beginning of the pandemic, and this weekend was no exception. They sell licenses, guns, and gear, but in some ways they're also selling the sport of hunting.
Just get as many people involved as we can and get people excited about the sport and try and invest back into the people that have been investing here at the shop.
After a day of hunting, people stop by to register their haul with the state. For some hunters who stop by Fisherman's Corner, they're not just registering their first deer of the season, they're registering their first deer ever.
I shot my first buck, and he went down with one shot.
Colton's buck was a first for him and one of the first registered today at the shop. He says he learned how to hunt from his dad.
To be quiet and just sit still when you're about to shoot a deer.
In the Trush family, the hunting skills are passed down from generation to generation.
I've been hunting since I was about 11 and started hunting with my dad, and Colton's been tagging along with me since he was a little guy.
And sometimes the learning goes both ways.
Well, it was Colton's idea to use a deer blind. We sat in a stand before, but we didn't like the cold very much. So Colton talked me into buying a blind one time with a heater.
A familiar family tradition being upheld once again in the Northland.
That's a cool story. Well, Minnesota's DNR estimates more than 500,000 people will take part in this year's deer hunting season. For more hunting information, you can head to our website, kvgr6.com.